got a beautiful class fish here. They're on that 14, 16 inch. Beautiful. Okay, bye-bye. Thank you. Oh, this one, baby. Yeah. Look at that, that's a beauty.
So,
very nice.
like this.
Nice call. That was looked like the right spot. I was actually watching your fly.
Okay, put it back in the water.
I knew that was going to happen. I'm watching whenever I can do that.
What happened, Nick?
I just got excited.
Hey, that was probably the most graceful fall I've ever
like
seen.
that. I went down. Yeah, but I'm looking good. It's going to be a problem.
Headed down south to the land of the pines. I'm thumbing my way to North Carolina, staring up the road and pray to God I see headlights. I made it down the coast in 17 hours, picking me a bouquet of dogwood flowers, and I'm hoping for Raleigh I can see my baby tonight. Rock me, mama, any way you feel. Hey, mama, rock me. Rock me, mama, like the wind and the rain. Rock me, mama, like a southbound train. Hey, mama, rock me.
Hi. That's a big fucking fish, baby. That thing just right. I picked my spot. Oh, that's a nice fish.
Winners keep forgetting when I lost my money playing poker, so I had to up and live, but I ain't a turning back to live that old life no more. So rock me, mama, like a wagon wheel. Rock me, mama, any way you
Right.
feel.
Well done.
Oh, I knew it was great.
Rock me, mama, like the wind and the rain. Rock me, mama, like a southbound train. Hey, mama, rock me.
That's a big fish. Oh.
Go. What happened?
Did you see him? I tried. I released him gently. Hey! Wow, that's a nice one. That's a big male there.
Welcome to the South, out of Roanoke. I caught a trucker out of Philly, had a nice long toke. But he's headed west from the Cumberland Gap, Johnson City, Tennessee. And I'm for the sun. I hear my baby calling my name, and I know that she's the only one. And if I die in Raleigh, at least I will die free. So rock me, mama, like a wagon wheel. Rock me, mama, any way you feel. Hey.
I got you on video here. Oh, son. I got you on video. I'll get you a picture. Hey, well, we got more pictures. Okay. Awesome.
Mama, rock me.
Right up there, sweet. Very happy, man. I'm in. Where am I? Calgary. No, I'm in.
No.
Fernie.
Fernie.
Fernie. I'm kidding. I'm in Fernie. Oh my God. Look at this man. That was Daddy. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. Swing. Beautiful. Oh.
Holiday, hidden from the bong like a diesel train, and I'm down with hanging out this afternoon. on the kitchen floor. If we take them all back, we can buy some more. So I doubt we'll go this afternoon.
Nice fish, Larry.
Yeah! Yes, baby! Yeah!
Grab them in the middle.
Oh,
One hand. Let's get a quick picture first. Hold on. I'm videotaping.
Doesn't matter when you'd rather get up and go out. Me and all my friends drink up.
Elk cut. Raise a little Andrea.
Hello, fishy. That's awesome.
There, I need some fish.
Oh, that's a beaut. Wait, oh. You're good. Looky there.
We got bolts in the den. I didn't know you had the other one.
Yeah. Oh, yours is nicer. Look at that. Double.
Yeah,
wow,
baby.
those are
Oh,
nice. Big.
double,
Double.
double. Wow. You know, like this straight up. You didn't come at it on an angle. You came up with 8 and 4 down. I just have to.
That's what mine did. When I saw.
Drink up, we fall down, then we do it all again. Yeah, just sitting around, hanging out this afternoon. Don't want a wristwatch or an alarm clock to see what time it is. From the moment I wake up, I just love being with my friends. We barely get by, but have the best times, and hope it never ends. We drink all day until we fall down, so we can do it all again. Human walk, it's the human race. I feel we living on the edge, taking too much space, so I doubt. Now the way things look around this town, better find a pretty woman before the sun goes down. If you need a place to lay your head, find a pretty little woman in a pretty big bed. You make like a fool, you stumble around. Better find you one before you buy another round. You're like a lamb, out like a lion. A minute you're laughing, the next you're crying. It's hardtail. You gotta get over this hardtail. You can't be sure, you can't be sure that she's gonna be your pretty little girl. Your pretty little girl. Cut your hair, comb that mop, shine them shoes, red tails and tops. Trim that stash, don't be slow. You're gonna need a way, you got to go. Hit that trail, ride that roam, and buck that limb and get her back home. Buckle up, boys, don't think twice. I love that woman with all your mind. It's hardtail. You gotta get home and it's hardtail. You can't be sure, she's gonna be your pretty little girl. Your pretty little girl. She don't call, she don't ride. Home with your mother every Saturday night. We'll see her on the town when she don't see you. You ought to quit courting and take a booze. You got another man, a bigger bill for two. Got calico shorts and alligator shoes. There ain't no woman gonna waste no time waiting for a poor boy to try to dime. It's hard tad. Gotta get home and it's hard tad. You can't be sure, you can't be sure. She's gonna be your pretty little girl.